Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to configure and verify file blocking uh, security profile in Palo Alto. File blocking security profile basically is nothing but block or restrict the file upload or downloading files or any PDF related files. So we can block and we can monitor that files. So let's jump into the firewall and do the lab. So go to the file objects. In that objects, you can see security profiles. In that security profiles, there will be a file blocking. So there are two predefined file blocking templates available. So one is basic file blocking and one is strict file blocking. Location is predefined. These are all the predefined. And rule name is block high risk files. Application is any, and these are all the file types. So you can block all the 7-zip, BAT, class, CPL, DXE files, and encrypted files. And direction is both in the sense upload or download. And we have three options alert, continue, and block. Block in the sense log to data filtering, and continue in the sense so user will get a response page and it will be logged. And block alert in the sense it will log the data filtering, it will log to data filtering. Block in the sense it will block the data transfer. So let's we cannot these are all the predefined, so we cannot modify these two predefined profiles. So we can clone it and we can create it. So click on a strict one and file blocking, click on OK and edit the name. So I want to give file blocking profile, so you can provide it in description. Suppose you can, if you want to add your own, so we can select it and delete it. So your own only, click on delete all these things, you can add it. So basically I want to uh, uh, block the exe files. Application is anything, because we have so many applications. So you can see here, so these are all the applications sites. So you can I want to give any applications. File type is exe, and the direction is basically we have upload, download, and both. So I want to select both. And alert is I want to block the uh, exe download. So select the block one. So I want to add one more thing, that is PDF. Application is any, and file type is PDF. There are two options here in PDF. One is encrypted and one is only PDF. I want to select only PDF in both the directions. And alert is allow and no, allow the log to data and filtering log. And block is the log and block the data transfer. And continue is log and respond browser response page. Click on OK. So my file blocking profile is ready. So we need to allow all the policies, so whichever you like. So I'm interested in inside to outside, because my traffic is moving from my inside to outside. So I just wanted to apply it in inside to outside. The rule is same. Source is inside, a destination is outside, application is any, service URL category is any, action. So go to the profile settings, select profile type is none. Go to the profile type, select the profiles, and here is the file blocking profile. Select file blocking profile, click on OK. So before that I want to test it before whether I am able to access it or not. So here I comes the test PC. So select any simple PDF download, and for exe we have a test malware file. So actually this is Palo Alto's only provides the test file to test it. So I'm using this URL to test it for exe. Okay, let's commit the changes. Click on OK. So here is a simple PDF file. So okay, the file two options here. So if you have SSL decryption enabled on the firewall, use the following URLs. And if you do not have the SSL decryption enabled on the firewall, use the following URL instead. So in this scenario, I don't have any SSL decryption is enabled in my firewall. So I will use this URL to test the link. Okay, so I got an error, file transfer blocked, and transfer of the file you are trying to download or upload has been blocked accordance with the company policy. Please contact your system administrator if you believe this is an error. If you see the file name, it's a wildfire test file.exe. How we can test it? So go to the firewall, go to the monitor, and here is the data filtering, and click on refresh. Okay, so first here is the sample PDF file. So sample PDF file is here. You can see Adobe portable document format from inside to outside. From that is 192.162.14. It's a web browsing deny block file continue block continue. And when it comes to the exe, so you can see that it add deny. So we can the PDF is continue, and we got deny option, deny logs as well. So this is the way so we can perform a file blocking in Palo Alto firewall. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.